What's up, guys? Talented Forever back again for some My Hero Academia final season.
Bro, my goat just popped off last episode.
It's no secret that last episode was just...
It's probably my favorite MHA episode, I'm not gonna lie.
It's up there. It's definitely in the top 5 for sure.
My other one was probably like Endeavor. What was it, episode 88?
Yeah.
See, I knew it by the number, you know? It's like...
Yeah. His start, that's good. I mean, it's just up there. It's of course they put a lot of work to that episode, and it really showed. I think
they don't have Mob no more.
That could be. I hope we still get the same, pretty good animation throughout the season, but also this episode to kind of finish out this fight.
The episode title,
Quirk Explosion.
He has to, we have to continue the fight. Hopefully, last episode was like.
It was paced a little weird.
It was paced a little weird just to finish off some other stuff. But I'm not... It's whatever. I watched that episode probably 5 times after we reacted to it because I thought it was really good. Favorite part was probably, when he threw him. He was going through the sky. Everybody around the world was going crazy watching it. They're basically us. And he was talking about the energy. Or not, I was talking about the energy. And you could see the stuff going around him. And then once he got him, the energy flew through him. I was like, yeah, that's really good. That's really good.
It's insane. He is back and he's stronger than ever. Yeah. He's basically making All For One lose his shit. He's rage baiting him.
He started calling him
Kudo.
Yeah, Kudo. Totally different person, by the way.
So, and we know that's a second user, and we'll probably kind of get some story here on why he hates him so much. We got a little glimpse of it in the last episode.
He saved his brother, or tried to save his brother, I guess you would say. And he hated it because then he had to kill his brother. Mm-hmm. He didn't have to. He didn't have to do nothing. But I'm guessing he killed him.
Could have just been a nice guy. But let's see. It's exciting. This episode's gonna go crazy. So
I'm ready.
Hopefully, it goes crazy. MHA season final season, episode 4. Yeah. Quirk Explosion. We went right into backstory.
Hey.
Maybe a world before Quirks? Who knows? I know.
Wait, there's no way they were twins, right? Already had the theme going.
That's the power you'd always be spamming.
That's good.
Evil from the jump.
Oh my gosh.
Man, it looked like MHA right there.
He stole his Quirk. And he killed him. That's out of his face. Alright. Oh, I was about to say, I thought this was a random part. I was like, you're tripping. Oh, is that Christopher?
Christopher Skyline.
Yeah, where's he at? That's a hero right there. Where's he at? Oh, picked it up.
Team.
Dang. He stole the Quirk. Bro has the first Quirk. That's why he was glowing. Okay, that makes sense. Yeah, Luffy would hate this guy.
Yeah.
なんでだってあのコミックに書かれていたろワッホー
Roll credits.
いい言葉だよなヒーローは正体を隠して孤独に戦っていたけれど悪の魔王はみんなが恐怖して全てを差し出すんだ
And then he kicks in.
お
That's
前
great.
がそうであるようにみんなが僕のためだけに存在する世界僕にも夢ができた
It's still lost. Well, Levi.
夢は現実になった現実は定石通りにいかないお前が僕に屈しない現実をこれから僕が塗り替えるお前が大切だ痩せ細ったお前にも使いやすい異能を見つけたんだ今からお前に与え
And
て
that's where you messed up.
名前も決めたよ余市だ僕に一番最初に与えられたものだからそう名付けた共に行こう余市
Ain't 3 users in the same room? That's crazy.
Literally just Bakugo with red hair.
There's the hand shot.
待ってなぜ行ってしまうんだのものにならないならもう
Dang! My favorite quirk right there.
弟を奪った青年と目が合う彼の眼球は生まれつき薄膜が張ったように艶がないのでその瞳に青年が映り込むことはなかった
Yeah, President Mike is getting paid for these narrations.
You tell Horikoshi around this time took inspiration from the JJK narrations.
隷属させるために奪ったものは俺の中に余市の意志がまだあるのか
少しでも人を思いやれていたら与えるを奪う世界一優しい力になったかもしれないのに
Well,
涙を出せば狼狽させられるから出した嫌がることと望んでいることを操る
bro, I can see why he thought he was the main character. Though. It's like, who's gonna mess with him?
He has insane power. It was Bruce.
お前は僕の思い通りになら
That's
ない
crazy. We're going through his gauntlet.
ただ欲しいだけなのに追っ
It's
て
a
も
Nana.
追っても僕の手からすり抜けていく
Mm.
ああそうだ
Cracked his shit.
お前のせい
Oh, he
だ
looks like that. Here we go.
And we're back.
奴の血縁は絶やしたそれだけじゃない奴に
That's insane, bro. Was pity as fuck.
疑わしきは全て目が
They are red.
まだその目じゃなかったただの空見だ時空を超えて僕を阻んでいるのだ
Fuck.
ワープで今日
It's calculated. What's he about to do?
お前を殺すのもこれも上等何もかも一括だ
The usual. Make a big glob.
全員解放
That's some Shigaraki shit, bro.
おしとや
Oh, he's just
Okay.
Oh.
Just
Hey,
obliterate
hollow, he
everything.
just hollow purple in the place. Oh, he's gonna move over there.
Yep. Just get rid of everything on my way.
顔にまで戻るぞでも勝てるわけねえだろ
That's crazy. Him saying that.
俺のもんにして上へ行く俺の爆破はやりてえと思うこと何でもできる気づけもうおめえの邪魔はしねえ
I thought I'd shut this down, bro.
Damn.
Bro, get blown away. He flicked those?
それが何の挙動も見せていなかったはず
All that for what?
Brings
man?
it. Just PNG.
雨で威力を使うコーティングして飛ばしといた
Ooh.
爆発する圧力普通の圧力だな
That's crazy.
混ざってあの時僕の口の中あの土壇場で
Bro's dissecting this.
褒められてきたんでな
Yes, sir. Why you standing like that? Broad ass.
わかるなダメージで力が乱れた
Was powering up a finisher.
これは僕の物語だ
You gotta shut the door. Yes, sir.
The signature.
I like how it's everywhere though. That's clean. Okay, it's shut still. Ooh,
Oh, it's
just the impact. Ah, fucking Dragon Ball.
yep.
Hey, these are crash out v crash out right here. Honestly.
昔こんな爆破ごときの数えるなどありえん体がおそらく脆くなったせいか負の感情に振り回されて支配権が弱まってんすよだから俺のファンミ解除にされちゃうわけです死柄木に飲まれたな
All right, that was good. Dang, that's his body.
In the face again.
With that arm is crazy.
僕の物語だそうじゃねえそうじゃなかったんだ一人じゃなかった
Ugh. Why you look like that?
夢も
Oh my gosh. That's fire. Dang. Bro, get the fuck out of here. Right at the front row seat. That's crazy.
ダメージと苛立ちがついにオールフォーワン今度こ
He's flying.
Yeah, that's
そ一人で
just a little explosion. He's falling with grace.
少し進むだけ
No way I could beat you by myself.
僕の個性を共に
Crazy coming from him.
浄化するんだまだ勝機がある戸村を支配できればワン・フォー・オールを奪える陽一お前がいなきゃダメなんだよ陽一僕はみんなにずっと見ていてほしいんだ
Bro, baby. What?
あと少しまだ
No.
消えるのかよ寒い力が入んねえだってなんねえもう言葉すら失ってる生まれたてだ大丈夫だ放っておいても気になる倒れねえってのはクソ強えだ完全に勝たねえとなあ
Catch it. Oh, what the fuck? What?
You doing it to a baby?
Oh my gosh, bro, about to pop. Nah, he went outside. I'm not gonna lie, bro. What?
奪われた因子が持ち主のもとへ戻
That's
る
crazy. W.
なんてサービス
Oh. Alright, whatever, Hawks. Nah, that's crazy. Ah! Nah, you gotta hit it.
くそオールマイトのスタンディングしたかったのねイズク
Hey, he's still good.
頑張れよ
Hey, one down, bro. One down. That's crazy. I liked it. I liked how it ended. It's bro, all for one went outside, bro.
Yeah. You like that? Hey, everyone was looking at you.
That's
Everyone was looking at
crazy.
you.
That is true. They were probably recording that. That is HD. Nah, bro just died like that. It's kind of crazy.
He got beat. He got done in. Everyone. I think that line from Bakugo was insane. I couldn't have done it by myself.
It was leading up to that.
Everyone literally. They've been fighting all for one since the middle of last season. You know, wearing him down.
Well, they've been fighting it since he was born.
True.
Technically.
True.
But yeah, they did it good. Whoa, how many episodes? 8 more?
Yeah.
8 more for this fight?
And then like wrap up stuff, of course.
Oh yeah, like
This fight is
take like 2.
This fight is pretty long, I won't lie.
So 6 episodes for the fight?
Maybe like 4.
4?
This is like sequences. Now, of course, we get more like other backstory and stuff. Another good line: Bakugo saying, "You only need one quirk." Ooh.
Too bad I don't fuck with the English VA.
Oh yeah, he's
He's a little rude, or he was. Probably had a bad day.
Yeah, maybe he's changed.
Yeah.
Great.
I'm down though. That's all pop quotes. Like this whole
Yeah.
sequence. So
Great. It was you. First part of it, we finally get to see like the origin of All for One and
has he ever said plus ultra?
Bakugo. I don't think so. No.
Basically did it. It looked like Endeavor's thing. Like when the little like impact, like the sketching.
Also, that also looked like when All Might does his United States of Smash.
The sketching is like
that
really
was
nice.
basically called back
It's
to
like
that.
the fire.
Yeah. All Might, Endeavor, and Bakugo got one.
Nah, that's great. Oh, I thought that was the episode title. Plus ultra.
No, I always said that on the back.
That was fire though. I enjoyed it. I do like the backstory was needed for All for One, just to remind us and like show us how evil he actually was and like how he thought everything was given to him, or he technically took it.
Yeah.
But basically, bro was the first person to tell him no and actually do it. Besides All Might, he cracked it. But
yeah, and we finally got. I mean, yeah, there's one more fight left in all of MHA, and it's the one we've been waiting for. It's good. I mean, it looks great. His quirk, he's able to like throw that shit out now. He just or activate it.
that's crazy. Like he can like make a explosion behind that to like get it out. Wow, bro's tactical with that stuff. Putting it in his mouth and stuff. It's like, come on.
Bakugo, I mean, he thinks on his feet. It's like he said, he's always been told he can think quick on his feet.
He went crazy. He actually like defiled him.
Yeah, that wasn't even like. Ooh,
that was
disrespectful.
He did that move like 3 times with his head. That's crazy. But it was good. What can you say?
I'm excited.
Ready for next week.
Yeah, I hope I feel a lot of the trailers didn't show much of like the next like couple episodes or like the Shigaraki Deku fight. So I'm excited to see if it's gonna look like
it's gonna
pretty
look
good. I mean, it has to. It has to. So.
It's probably gonna be like when he hit him with that punch in season 7, but like the whole fight, hopefully. They do really good with his green. Like you know how they do really good with the flames. They do really good with the green. They love their colors. It's a vibrant show. But
hopefully
see you next week.
good.
Hopefully Romeo's here for the next one.
Yes. Don't forget to like,
comment,
and subscribe.
We'll see you next time.